Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over creating bids for your customers, and bids are a great way to communicate directly with your customers about different issues like larger repair jobs. So let's take a look. First way we're going to do this is by going to your customer and going to click View under Actions, and this method of doing it will create a bid directly for that customer through their account. Let's go down right here to bids and this blue button right here for create bid, and you will be able to fill out all the information here. So let's go ahead and say the date is for the 30th and it's going to be valid for a while. And then let's go ahead and click the item that we're going to be creating the bid for. Make sure all the information is correct here, and then go ahead and click Save Bid when you're finished filling that out. And it's going to pop up all the bids right here for that specific customer, and it's going to show pending right now, but once it's approved by your customer, it will show approved, like this one right here. If you want to manually approve it, you can click these three buttons under Actions and manually approve the bid. You can even create an invoice from the bid here. The second way to do it is to go down to bids, and this is going to be your bid hub with every single one of your bids for all of your customers, and you can see that right here. I have a couple of them. And the same thing, we can click that blue button here, select the customer we're going to create a bid for, fill out all of our information here, and then save the bid. Once you're finished saving the bid, you're going to want to send out that bid to your customer via email. So you can do this by clicking Action and emailing it right here. You can go ahead and edit any of this email right here and then send that email. Same thing, if you would like to manually approve this for your customer, you can approve it here. And if you need to edit anything on the bid before it's approved, go ahead and do that here. And then once the bid is approved, you can go ahead and create an invoice from that bid, and you'll be all good to go. And that's going to be all for this video. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient software and caring support. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content, and we will see you in the next video.